What was the hardest thing about the movie? Be like really straight. What was the part that you felt like as if yaar
कितनी दफ़ा ऐसा हुआ कि मुझे लगा अब तो ये फिल्म बस ठुस है, अब तो ये कभी नहीं बनेगी।
वो तो हाँ वो तो खुद की feeling थी, but during the challenges, like you know while you were making the movie, when did you feel like as if oh my god maybe this won't go through?
I'll tell you what. Okay, we shot for 18 days, and my producer comes up to me on the day before the 18th day was, and she's like, Aiza, we're out of money. We don't have any more, so I don't know how I'm gonna pay people. And she's crying. This is real. This is really
oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was hard, and I was like, okay, let's just shoot. And I was like, and I can't tell my other partner in this, which is Iman Zawari. I was like, I can't tell her she's in the middle of filming that scene with the mango lassi with Shahnaz and Godfrey's characters. I was like, I'm not gonna say anything. And then we shot the wedding scene where we're all dancing. After all of that happened, I sat her down. I was like, listen, we're out of money. So we're like,
oh my god, no way!
This is real, and we were like, I don't know what to do. So we had a break. Christmas was coming up, and our DP had flown in. वो California से आई हुई थी. You know, Chloe Weaver, she's amazing. वो वापस जा रही थी कैलिफोर्निया. हमारा क्रू सब क्रिसमस ब्रेक सब अपने अपने घर जा रहे हैं भाई.
पैसों के बगैर.
ठीक है. और ये बिल्कुल हमारी शूट से 2-3 दिन खत्म होने से पहले 2-3 दिन. फिर हमने कहा ठीक है, पैसे भी नहीं है और हमारे पास 6 और दिन की शूट के लिए टाइम भी नहीं. We're out of time. So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, ब्रेक लेते हैं. हमने ब्रेक ली, हम वापस गए. We had to raise money.
I love how she's keeping it really real. वो हमें बता रही थी कि मूवी बनाना भी कोई इतना आसान काम नहीं है. Just 6 days before her movie was released, they lost, you know.
Before we even finished the filming. Before even not the release.
18 दिन के बाद.
हाँ, 18 दिन के बाद. We had 6 more days of filming, and so we were like, अच्छा ठीक है. फिर ब्रेक ली हम लोगों ने, जाके पैसे रेज किए, which is not easy within a month.
How did you do that? How did you raise money?
So bad. I mean, it was so hard.
Bake sales?
No. Don't ask how I raised. You don't want to know. I don't know. You can't handle that, guys. Let me tell you. It's hard. It's hard. Yeah. No, but we have some really amazing investors that came on board. Actually, ये film 100% मुसलमानों ने जो अमेरिका में रहते हैं या abroad, Canada, Europe वगैरह में रहते हैं, उन्होंने सारी funding उन इन्वेस्टर्स से आई हुई है, which is really nice.
Which is nice. And do they when जब उन लोगों ने मूवी देखी, क्या उन लोगों को लगा कि यार हमने सही पैसे लगाए?
जी, सब लोगों
तो फिर पैसा वसूल हो गया.
बिल्कुल.
So you can sleep well at night knowing कि हाँ पैसे सही वसूल हुए. I'm actually really looking forward to see the movie on 18th as well, guys. आप लोग भी check कर सकते हैं जाके. You know, I think my producer and I will definitely be coming to check it out. And I mean,
I can't wait.
It looks really amazing as well. So tell me some of the male cast as well. I can see very few, but I think वो बेचारे supporting role ही provide कर रहे हैं.
भाई हम लोग as women हम लोग हमेशा supporting roles होते हैं फिल्मों में, right? So then I was like, if this is going to be helmed by women, we're going to make them the supporting.
And how were they feeling about it? Did they feel like as if the script was empowering to South Asian Muslim women?
Absolutely. In fact, you know, abhi maine, you guys will see in the film, it's like Kapil, who plays Selena Qureshi's love interest, is such an amazing actor, and this was one of his first projects he ever did, and now he's such a rising star in America. Yeah, he's doing really well. So, but you know, even him, like, he really broke down the character. He was like, you'll see what happens. I don't want to give away too much. Magar aisa hota hai, right? Women are constantly asked to decide between, do you want a career or do you want to, you know, or do you want me?
Or do you want me? Oh my God, you said it.
You know, but it is, right? Yes. And so and he approached it with so much humanity. He was like, देखो, मेरा एक friend है, उसके साथ अभी ऐसा हुआ.
अच्छा.
उसने मेरा एक male friend है जिसने ऐसा किया अपनी fiancé के साथ.
Oh wow.
It didn't work out.
Oh wow.
And he was like, you know, these are hard and real things that happen. So he brought so much he was like, yeah, but you know, उनकी ऐसी situation थी, they were going to be in different states. He's like, कैसे हम relationship कैसे काम करेगी? And in the end, they were like, नहीं ये नहीं चलेगा, right? So those are some hard decisions you sometimes have.
Sometimes have to make.
Yeah. So he approached it with that so much humanity. He was amazing.
And I think it's so important to work with people who are like-minded.
Yeah.
And well-educated and willing to hold space for you, for your narrative as well.
And that's what all the men on the show were.
Yeah? Honestly, how lovely is that?
It was so lovely. Even like Ajay Naidu, who plays this little character who's like, you know, kind of doing some shady things with one of the characters, even he like approached it with so much care and thought, that character, you know, so all of them, everyone.
All of them. Yeah. So, you know, from what you were telling me a little while ago, you guys shot for 18 days straight, and then you took 6 days off.
No, we took more than a month off.
More than a month off.
We came back to shoot for 6 more days.
6 more days. Wow. So overall, ये movie कितने time में खत्म हुई?
Oh my God. So 24 days of that, right? That's 24 days. And then हम लोग edit में पहुंचे और फिर हमें लगा कि ये तो क्या film है यार, ये तो film काम ही नहीं करती.
Oh my God! Wow, I can imagine you felt that.
So we were in the edit and it was not working.
Did you have sleepless nights?
So many months, sleepless months, and then we were like, wow, हमने इतने सारे लोगों से investment भी ली, सब कुछ किया, सब जाया. सारा चैनल, सारा काम, सब जाया. It really felt.
मगर ऐसा तसल्ली कब हुई दिल में? मतलब डेफिनेटली एडिट देखने के बाद तो नहीं हुई फ्रॉम व्हाट आई गैदर.
नो बट आई हैव
अभी तक नहीं हुई.
नहीं अब हो गई बट व्हाट हैपेंड एट दैट इन द एडिट फेज वाज व्हिच वेंट ऑन फॉर अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स एंड देन कोविड हैपेंड. So we were just we were like, wow, ये फिल्म तो काम नहीं कर रही, क्या हो रहा है? We had to actually rewrite and reshoot, and we had to cut out some scenes that we had already shot because we're like, this doesn't make sense narratively in the story.
Oh, and who was that person doing that critical evaluation?
हर कोई कर रहा था और हम लोग करके थक रहे थे. At one point it was.
But you know, काफी दफा too many cooks spoiled.
There were too many cooks.
Was that
there was the director, there was me, there were our producers. So. But then we weren't spoiling. Honestly, what happened was जब मैं थक जाती थी ना, तो फिर मेरी director, मैं कहती बस ये फिल्म नहीं चलेगी, इसको छोड़ो, कुछ और करो, नया काम करो. Really? Then my director would be like, no, I'm gonna take up the helm, I'm gonna do it. And when the director and I both got tired, our producers kicked in.
How lovely! It was और यही teamwork होता है.
The teamwork.
So tell me about the music of the movie as well.
Oh my goodness, we have so many amazing artists. There's an amazing artist in here. So many. Actually, हमारे एक मुसलमान बैंड है जो The Reminders, जो they're really up and coming black couple in America. उन्होंने हमारा ओरिजिनल इसके लिए म्यूजिक बनाया.
Oh, lovely.
और एक सॉन्ग उन्होंने अपना दिया जो it's one of my favorite songs. It's in the montage. You'll hear it. It has some French in it and English in it. And
wow.
It's amazing. So they did that.
And what a great way to connect with the wider audience.
It's amazing. So
what's amazing is it's New York.
Yeah.
And then hence you picked up a Muslim black couple.
Of course.
How lovely is that?
But you know, that's the thing. So you see, film में इतने सारे characters हैं, जैसे Hispanic हैं, Latin, you know, Indian, Pakistani, सारे काले लोग जो भी हैं, सब हैं mixed, right? And so that's because that's what New York is.
Of course.
New York is a melting pot.
And you captured that vibe so beautifully in the movie to say कि हर किसी ने एक दूसरे के साथ तरीके से काम भी किया.
जी.
Rather than actually कभी कोई differences हुए, कोई लड़ाई हुई, any behind the scene?
No behind the scenes drama, honestly nothing. And I think our crew was really amazing. The actors were all so amazing to work with. I mean, everybody was just stellar and super professional.
And hair and makeup was done by you guys?
Hair and makeup was done by professional team of hair and makeup artists who did that. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And the looks were decided and you were basically on the process.
Yeah, I was involved every step. You know, the director, Iman, was amazing. Usually actors aren't involved that much, but because I was also a writer, I was also a producer. I think the whole crew was amazing about always coming to me. Even some of the actors would like come to me, Aisa, इस line को ऐसे कहना है, मगर इसका मतलब क्या? Even before, like they wouldn't ask the director, they would ask because they knew like I was the writer, which was really nice. But it also added a lot of layers of extra work for me.
Extra work.
Because I had to produce, I had to rewrite sometimes the scenes, and then I had to be in those scenes.
Oh wow!
This was happening.
So having done theatre really helped you, I think.
I think so.
Okay, so tell us, is the movie going to be released in Dubai, UAE as well?
You know, not at the moment, but अगर कोई है बाहर, किसी को आना है, कोई सुन रहा है, किसी को UAE में release तो reach out, please, yeah.
That's a Muslim market you can totally capture too.
I would love to.
Yeah, why not? Why not? And what about? So tell me the places where it's being released. Tell the audience where they can watch it.
Absolutely. So again, IMGC is distributing it all over Pakistan. It's going to be in all the major cities like Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi. I know it's in Q Cinemas in Lahore. It's at Newplex here. Movie English में है, ठीक है, और इसको हम लोगों ने डब नहीं किया because I think इसकी एक vibe
खत्म हो जाती है.
बिल्कुल
I agree with you.
आप like मुंह ऐसे हिल रहा है मैं और वो कह कुछ और रहा है, हम like ये क्या हो रहा है? It's very distracting.
सही बात है.
So we didn't do it, and I really hope कि even अगर आप उर्दू speaking है, आपको fluent नहीं है English में, कि आप आएं और आप देखें because ऐसे ना it broadens your mind.
Of course.
मैंने ग्रीस में बैठ के थिएटर देखा है जो ग्रीक में हो रहा है. and I followed the story.
Followed the story.
I've watched theater in Italy and I can follow the story when it's good. आपको
language की ज़रूरत नहीं होती.
Because आपको समझ आ जाती है कि story क्या है. You don't need it. So I think even पाकिस्तानी लोग अगर आप सिर्फ उर्दू बोलते हैं, आप आएं, आप आके देखें और इसको family के साथ enjoy करें.
ज़रूर करें. And how long is the movie? कितनी?
90 minutes long.
90 minutes. Lovely. So thank you so much, Aiza, for being on the show. It was an absolute delight to host you. It was an amazing discussion we had. I'm wishing you all the best with all that you've accomplished so far, and may you continue to accomplish more.
Thank you so much for having me. This was lovely. Thank you.
Thank you so much.